Hello everyone, welcome back to ForPips. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss best trading session for gold. If you trade gold, XAUUSD, then the most important sessions for you are the London session and the New York session. Why? Because during this time, the market has the highest liquidity, the highest institutional orders, and the best volatility. That's why big trends and strong breakouts in gold are most commonly seen during these sessions. And if the London session and the New York session are open at the same time, which means there's a session overlap, then this is considered the prime time for gold trading. This is the time when professional traders are the most active if you're a beginner and you trade gold. Now let's understand one more very important thing. Many new traders often have one question: which trading session has the highest money flow trading session with the highest liquidity and volatility? So let's understand this in simple words. The Sydney session is where the market begins. Money flow is low, liquidity is low, and volatility is also low. Next comes the Tokyo session. During this session, the Asian markets become active. So compared to the Sydney session, liquidity and volatility increase slightly, but the market is still not fully active. Then comes the London session. This is where the real market movement begins. Liquidity becomes high, money flow becomes high, and volatility also becomes high. That's why most professional traders wait for the London session. After that comes the New York session. During this time, the American market opens and the major financial institutions also become active. That's why liquidity remains very high, and volatility is also very high during this session. But the most important time is when the London session and the New York session are open at the same time. This is called the session overlap. This is the time when the market experiences the highest money flow, the highest liquidity, and the highest volatility. If you trade gold or major currency pairs, this is the time that has the highest probability of giving you the best trading opportunities. So try to do your trading during the London session or the London-New York overlap, because this is the time when you're most likely to get the best market movement, better liquidity, and clear trading opportunities. Now you've understood which currency pairs are the most active in each trading session and which session is considered the best for gold trading. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.